Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome back to the lesson. It's session 6, mashallah. And here we are with the new topic. This is Mohammad Hamad and you are learning English at home. So today's topic is have got and has got. Today we will learn that when do we use these words and what are the differences. Very simple. So let's move on to the topic. There are different in the different countries they are used differently. मुख्तलिफ जगह जो है like different speakers use different words. In UK, it's from United Kingdom, British you can say, they use have got or has got. Okay. If we talk about has or have, they both meaning the same. They both are used same. दोनों एक ही हैं, दोनों एक ही माने में इस्तेमाल होते हैं, but अब वो मुख्तलिफ लोग मुख्तलिफ वर्ड यूज करते हैं. Okay. And the US from America side they use have or has. They are same. All right. So different uses. So let's talk about today. It is very detailed topic, but we'll talk about only 2 uses of these words. So let's move on to the first use. Used for possession. Possession means milkiyat, or you can say what you have for your own, जो आपका अपना है, आपकी मिल्कियत में जब जो आपकी अपनी जो चीज़ होती है मिल्कियत, वो possession we use. Like जो चीज़ हमारी अपनी है, you have got it. When do we use have or have got? We use for the same purpose, possession. ठीक है? So we use have or have got with these subjects: I, we, you, they, and plurals. Repeat after me: I, we, you, they, plurals. Okay? Have got in words in subjects के साथ इस्तेमाल करते हैं. For example, okay, I have a car, or you can say I have got a car. Have or have, same meaning. Okay. Second example, they have a beautiful house. उनके पास एक खूबसूरत घर है. Or you can say they have got a beautiful house. Okay. Third, last but not the least, Sana and Farhan, plurals. एक से ज़्यादा. Have a cute pet. Pet. Or you can say Sana and Farhan have got a cute pet. There are many examples. I have got a mobile. I have a mobile. You can say I have got a laptop. Whatever the thing it is in your possession, you can use for that. Alright, let's talk about has got. So here we are, has got. We use has or has got with he, she, it, or singular subjects. Okay, he, she, it, and singulars. Okay, have got and has got, they are used with different subjects. मुख्तलिफ सब्जेक्ट का इस्तेमाल होता है. ओके. इफ यू यूज मिस्टेकनली, गलती से अगर आपने हैव गॉट ही के साथ लगा लिया, सो इट विल बी इनकरेक्ट ग्रामेटिकली. ओके. सो बी केयरफुल अबाउट दैट. फॉर एग्जांपल्स वी हैव Salman has a bike. Salman has a bike, or Salman has got a bike. Got it? Alright. She has many books. बहुत सारी किताबें हैं. Or you can say she has got many books. Good. Alright. You can use for animals or for non-living things. It has got a piece of meat. For example, I am talking about a dog or a cat. You can say it has a piece of meat. Okay. You are talking about the possession. Or you can say it has got a piece of meat. So fine. Or you can say you can have more example, like my mom has got a beautiful dress. My brother has a bike. All right, anything you can use. There are many examples. All right, let's talk about the second use. That was the first use. We have also discussed about have. If I just brought it here about second use, so that there should not be any confusion. इसलिए मैं लाया कि आगे confusion ना हो, क्योंकि have हम पहले भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. So there can be a confusion in your mind. So don't be confused. Very simple. हम have action के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं, कोई काम करने के लिए. Okay, action के लिए. For example, I have a cup of tea. यहाँ पर हैव पादेशन के मारे बनी, यहाँ पर हैव इस्तेमाल करें for taking. I have a cup of tea means I have a shower. I have a shower. I have a bath. Okay, so कोई एक्शन करने के लिए, कोई काम करने के लिए. Okay, I have lunch. Action. Okay, so action same. Sip have got nahi, sip have. Okay, only have. All right. One more interesting thing, like normally you will listen these words from different speakers. They use in contraction, short form you can say. So if you want to use contraction form, so you can use I have, our. I have, our. Like a car. I have a car. I have a car. I've got a car. He has his. His no. His. He, okay, Salman has a bike. Okay, she has many books. She is many books. She has got many books. So when you go frequently तेजी से जाते हैं तो वो mix हो जाते हैं, इसलिए हमें समझ नहीं आता. तो contraction में भी इस तरह से होता है. Alright, so that's it from the today's topic. Let's talk about assignments. Don't be scared. Assignments are very simple and very interesting. Mashallah, I'm really impressed that many students are improving very nicely. It's all about, it's due to your assignments because you are doing it and you are improving by your assignment. We learn from our mistakes, and when we do mistakes, when we do assignments, we do mistakes. So don't be scared. Be happy with your assignments. Alright, first assignment is listen the audio clip of Mr. Patton, 5 tips, and speak up. आपको I remember in session 2 we listened. I gave you assignment of listening audio clip, and you listened and you wrote and we had a dictation. Okay, same clip, वही clip आपने सुननी है, ठीक है, और फिर speak करनी है, लिखना नहीं है. You have to speak and you have to record your voice. Okay, it can be difficult for you to speak same words, बिल्कुल same to same. आपके लिए मुश्किल होगा. Don't worry, you can use your own words as well. जो टिप्स है वो टिप सेम रहेगी, और आप आगे जो एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, you will describe your point, तो आप अपने वर्ड में एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. It depends on जितना ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेन करें या कम करें, it doesn't matter, but you have to speak of the tips. Tips लास्ट में बोल रहे हैं. Okay, ऑडियो रिकॉर्ड करेंगे और सबमिट करवाएंगे मुझे. रिकॉर्ड करने के बाद सेंड करेंगे. प्रैक्टिस एक बार में नहीं होगा ये. Okay, practice. The more you practice, the more you get improved. Assignment number 2. Make 5 example sentences of today's topic. Today's topic we have has got and have got. Total 15 sentences. 15 sentences means 5 have got, 5 has got, and 5 have. So total 15 examples you have to make. How you have to submit? किस तरह submit करवाएंगे आप? Just write in your notebook, take a picture, and send it. So that's it from today's lesson. I hope you understood. Because if you have any problem, if you have any confusion, feel free to ask me. That's it. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed. Take care. Allah Hafiz.